Hi and welcome to the next product review that I'm doing today, which is the Ruyilam video conferencing ring light. So here we have it, video conferencing lighting kit. So I haven't opened this yet. Let's have a look inside. This is the Ruyilam video conferencing lighting kit. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So it's compact. Okay, there we have its USB. That's obviously its power control. That looks like a monitor clip. Okay, yeah, that's spring mounted, depending on the depth of your laptop screen or your computer monitor screen. Oh, okay, so there's obviously some sort of viewing angle in there as well. So I presume your video camera, conferencing camera, will be visible through that. So we have power on, the mode settings, and obviously that must be the brightness up and down control. Let's have a look inside here. Don't need that. So we have a standard cold shoe mount with adjuster, and it also has a thread in there as well, should you require a little mini tripod. Have a look at this. Don't need that. So we've got a 3-leg tripod with some sort of clip on there, which then obviously screws into that to give you more purposes. Okay, so let's put that to one side. Don't need that. Let's look at the instructions. Oh, we have a lifetime warranty, which we just need to activate within 7 days. Good job. Okay, so we have a clip mount. So again, cold shoe. Let's do it that way. Oh, so it only goes in one way. And then we can tighten that up. God, that's noisy. And there we have it. Power into it through my USB hub. We've got a power indicator light. And we've got the different modes. So let's get this a lighting mode. So we've got white light, and we've got a warm light, and we've got the mix of the two. We can turn it down using the down options, and we can turn the brightness up using the up options, and we can turn it off. Okay, so what does that look like in the real world? Let's have a look at my face. And I am unlit. Okay, so the ring light's actually under this camera. This is an off laptop camera, so my webcam's further down, but it gives you an idea of what it looks like. So let's turn this on. Okay, so then we have the white light. No, that's the mixed light. Switch that up to, so we've got a nice warm glow on my face, fills out all the shadows. We've got the white light, and then we've got the pure amber portrait light, what we would call in the business a portrait light. So it's more flesh tony and it's more complementary that way. So your white light really is for makeup application and things like that, I presume, not being a person who wears a lot of makeup. So we're just going to keep it to the amber light, and we're going to turn it up to full. So it's 24 LEDs of both types in there. So you've got 24 white, 24 amber. Okay, and that's it on full. Let's switch it to white on full. What's your impression? Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, so that's the white, amber at full blast, and the mix. Okay, and those are all at maximum, and we'll go back to off again. So it's not too harsh on the eyes. There's a good filter around that, and an opaque plastic. It's got a good build quality to it as well. It's obviously plastic. There's no metal, which makes it lightweight. And you've got a good handy tripod, which feels, well, that is metal legs. Plastic wouldn't be any good. Plastic housing at the top with a bit of a rubber grip for grip. But no, I could quite happily have that and look at the camera on my laptop, so it's not blinding. Yeah, I'd be happy with that actually. I'm impressed. They're available on Amazon. Very fast delivery. There's no problems at all with that. Small package, and that could easily slip inside your laptop bag. Now, one of the things when you're doing video conferencing is that pretty much people would sit with the window behind them. Now, that's not a good idea because that will cast a shadow, and it really does confuse the photosensitive elements of your laptop camera, because it's trying to brighten your face but also combat what's going on behind you. So it's always better to have a strong light in front of you rather than behind you, especially if you're doing video conferences, or in most cases now people are doing video interviews online. So it's much better to have this sort of technology and this sort of lighting behind the camera, or even just around the camera as well. So I feel this is not burning, it's not hard to look at. I can see quite clearly where my camera lens is on my laptop, and like as I say, it's comfortable. It's not hurting in the back of my eyes. So I would highly recommend this. There's a link to this product in my description below, so if you want to get yourself one of these, again, I give this a good thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.